All right, boys and girls, we've went ahead and completed our place value chart where we talked about the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. We've talked about our tens strip up here. Really quick, 152. Do you see 152 up there?
Yes.
What's the 1 plus neighbor for 152? Tyler?
153.
Yeah, that's right. It grew by 1. 152 turned into 153. What's the minus 1 neighbor for 152? What's the minus 1 neighbor? Leah?
151.
151, so we took 1 away. That's the minus 1. Minus 1 moves back, plus 1 moves forward. That's really important when you're doing addition in your brain to know the plus 1 and minus 1. Today we're going to do a subtraction problem. This is going to be a mental math subtraction problem. All right? Mr. Klein's going to use his tens frame to help you out. So here's our problem. You could read it as I write it.
14. It's not 114. It's 1.
Wait a second.
1,000. 10. 9. I'll figure it out. Equals.
Stop for a second.
9.
With your hands, I want you to show me. How do we move our hands when we subtract? How do we move them? Show me. What's this number called? Whole, part, missing part, or difference. What are the new words that we learned for this? Subtrahend, difference. These are just some different words that mean the same thing when we subtract. Now, what's our subtrahend? What's that number? Katie? It's the whole. So 14 is the whole. What is 14? What's 14? We practice this a lot this year. We have to break apart 14 into what it is. Its place value. What is 14, Brody?
110 and 4 ones.
110 and 4 ones. All right. So let me see if I can do it this way. Yeah, 110 and 4 ones. All right. Can you see it? See my 4 ones?
Yes.
See my 110?
Yes.
All right, I love it. All right, so I've got my whole. Are we adding or subtracting?
I know that is.
Subtracting. Sit down your bottom. Ethan, what's our minuend?
I know it is. The minuend would be. What is it?
Look at the problem. Don't guess. Read the problem. It would be 9. What do we do up here with the minuend? We say 14.
We take away 9 from the 14.
We take away 9. Take whatever's in your mouth and throw it away. It's hard to understand what you're saying. He had the right idea, though. He said we have to take away 9 from the 14. Now, I taught you what do we do with the 14. What do we have to do? We have to break it apart. So how am I going to break this apart? Isaiah, how are we going to break this apart?
We're going to take away the 9.
We're going to take 9 away, but we have to do something to the 14 first. We haven't done it.
We
have to see it in our brains. Hold up 14 with both hands. Got it up there? All right. So break apart 14. What is 14?
14 and 1.
10 and 4. All right. 10 and 4. Which number here is going to be the easiest to take 9 away from?
10.
Is it going to be the 4 or the 10?
10.
10. So what do we do with the 4?
Put it in your pocket.
So I put it in my pocket. So I put it back here in my pocket. So I got 4 in my pocket. That's the 1. How many am I going to take away from my 10?
9.
9. So Wait a second.
You can take just 5 away from the row.
What am I gonna? How many's gonna be left?
5. What?
If I take 9
It
away
equals
from
5.
this, what's gonna be left?
The answer is 5.
5.
Oh, Okay, show me. Take 9 away from it and show me where 5 comes in.
There. 5.
Take away 9.
Okay. So you took away 9, so I'm gonna take that away.
No.
Oh. Well, see, this is what we have to do.
You have to take away the 4
Wait,
goes
let him
with
keep
her.
going.
Oh, you take away the 4 first.
Yeah, no. The 4 goes with the 9.
You take away 4 and then you take away 5.
Yeah, you take away the 4 and you take away a 5, and the answer is 5 because 4 plus 5 equals 9.
No,
So the answer is 5 since there's a pen screen right there. And you put, so you take your
Wait,
phone in your pocket.
I know it's
Isaiah, will you come up and explain? Because I don't want to stop. Let's see. Isaiah, show us what you're talking about.
You have to take the 4 out of your pocket and take the 4.
Okay, so I got the, wait, I got to get the 4 back out. So there's,
Take away the 4 with
Yeah,
the
that's what I'm trying to
5.
say. Take away
Because I know that 5 take away 5.
show me with your hand. Do it. Prove it to me. Okay, prove it by moving these
So if
around
you
now.
take away 1, it equals 4. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. So the answer is 5. So
Wait,
you
yeah,
take
the
away
answer.
9.
Wait, you guys
One at a time. One at a time.
Take away the
One
9.
at a stop.
Taking 1 away.
Stop.
I'm confused.
9 and 2. Sit on your bottom.
The answer is 5.
Sit on your bottom.
Take away that 9.
I hear people saying the answer, but nobody's been able to come up and show me yet with this.
Let's take away the 9.
Man, this video is going to be real long.
Man, I got some, I'm starting to get people raising their hands.
This
Thank you.
this
I wanna
is
call
7
somebody-
minutes and
'cause I had the
15
subject
seconds so
back up
far.
now. I have 14. And somebody wasn't sure. I need to have a clear explanation. It has to be proven to me that you know the answer. Sit right there by Asha. That's a good spot for you. You know what? Can I please have Haley? Wait, don't breathe sigh of relief yet. Just okay. Because why? Well, I'll stop. You can explain later. I'll put the 4 in my pocket.
And you take 9 away from this.
So she took 9 away from what?
No, I think she
Stop your talking, interrupting. I did not ask
I'm
yet.
taking 9 away from that 10 because you can't take 4. You can't take 9 away from that 4 because they're in the 9.
And is this my final answer?
No.
No.
Okay, what do I have to do?
Bring that 4 out.
Out of the pocket? Okay.
That's going to be your
Okay, so
answer.
what's this?
It's 5 because that 10, you can't take 9 away from 4 because it's not enough. So you have to take it away from the 10s.
Okay.
No,
Can I
because
see
you have
those 9 that you
14.
took away?
No, you don't.
Really quick.
Yeah. 14 take away 9 equals 5.
So if I asked you up here, what would be this number 5? Would 5 be my subtrahend, minuend,